We are covering Identity and Self-Concept for the Child Development Associate, or CDA, credential, focusing on how to create a supportive environment using mirrors, names, and affirmations. This content directly relates to CDA Competency Goal 3, which is to support social and emotional development and provide positive guidance. On the CDA exam, you will not just be asked to define self-concept. Instead, you'll likely see scenario-based questions where you must choose the best strategy to foster a child's sense of identity. Let's start with mirrors. Simply having a mirror in the room is not enough to score high on an assessment. A common exam trap is choosing a passive option. The exam tests your active use of materials. For example, a question might describe a toddler looking in a mirror. The best response would be for the educator to join the child, point to their reflection, and say, "I see Michael's happy smile." This interaction turns a simple object into a powerful tool for self-awareness. Ensure mirrors are placed at the child's height, are non-breakable, and are available in various centers, like the dramatic play or block area, to encourage self-recognition during different types of play. Next, let's discuss the power of a child's name. Name recognition is a foundational step in forming identity. The CDA exam will test your understanding of developmental progression. For an infant, this might mean consistently using their name during interactions. For a preschooler, it involves creating a print-rich environment where their name is visible and used. An exam question might ask for the most effective way to label cubbies. While a picture is good, the best answer for a 3- or 4-year-old would be a picture plus their printed name. This connects their identity to literacy. You should also make a habit of using their names in songs, stories, and when acknowledging their contributions to the group. Now for affirmations. The CDA emphasizes specific praise over generic comments. An exam question could present a scenario where a child successfully builds a tower and asks you to choose the most effective feedback. The weak answer is "good job." The strongest CDA-aligned answer is something concrete, like, "You worked so hard to balance those blocks to build such a tall tower." This statement affirms their effort and specific accomplishment, building their sense of competence and self-worth. These are the "I am" statements in action. I am a hard worker. I am capable. A critical area where educators often miss the mark is in representing diverse family structures. Your classroom library and visual displays must reflect the reality of your children's lives. This means going beyond the traditional 2-parent family. Actively include books and photos that show single parents, 2 moms, 2 dads, grandparents as primary caregivers, and foster families. A common exam pitfall is choosing a generic all-about-me theme over an activity that specifically and respectfully includes a child's unique family structure. You must be prepared to discuss all families honestly and positively. To remember these key strategies, use this mental shortcut. M.A.N is who I am. M for mirrors used actively. A for affirmations that are specific. N for names used consistently and in print. Mastering these 3 elements, mirrors, affirmations, and names, provides a solid foundation for supporting identity and self-concept, which is essential for success on the CDA exam and in your practice. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.